This is the last topic of royalty accounting, that is accounting entries in the books of lessor. Here lessor means landlord, owner of the asset. So let's see the entries one by one. When royalties are less than minimum rent, means when actual royalty paid are less than minimum rent. So the first entry should be for royalties receivable. Lessee account has to be debited to short working suspense account to royalty receivable account. See here, the lessor is going to receive amount from the lessee. That's the reason we are debiting the lessee account. Then to short working suspense account. This is a new account. Suspense account is a new account. Let me explain this. Whenever excess amount made by the lessee to the lessor, for which he has a right to recover from the surplus, that shall be treated as a liability for the lessor, because in the subsequent year any excess amount paid by the lessor to the by the lessee has going to be recovered in the subsequent year. That is the reason the suspense account has to be credited. This is nothing but a liability which the lessee is going to adjust in the future year when there is a surplus amount. So what do you mean by surplus here? When actual royalties are more than minimum rent. Okay, to royalty receivable account. Then the next entry for receipt entry, actually payment from I'll just make a correction, payment from lessee. Means this is a receipt entry, bank account debited to lessee account. He is getting amount from the lessee. Then the third entry is for transfer entry. Here the whatever royalty received by the lessor is nothing but a income for the lessor. So that he is going to transfer it to P&L account. Okay. Then in the case when royalties are more than minimum rent, okay, when royalties are more than minimum rent, the first journal entry receivable, the first journal entry should be for royalties receivable account. So here the first journal entry is lessee account debit, short working suspense account debit to royalty receivable account. So as usual we are debiting lessee account. Here we are debiting short working suspense account because we adjusted our previous short working when there is an excess amount, okay, when there is an surplus amount. This condition is called surplus. So that's the reason we are adjusting our previous short working in when there is a surplus. So this is adjusted amount, short working suspense account debit to royalties receivable account. Then the third entry, second entry, it is same, payment from lessee. So that is bank account to lessee account. Then the third entry is for transfer entry. So only the first entry is going to change. That's all. Otherwise all the B and C remains same. The one is for receiving royalty from the lessee. The other one, whatever royalty received from the lessee is that has to be transferred to the P&L account. So these are the entries which we are going to pass. Let's see one problem on this.